Discover the power of the Mac Mini, a compact desktop computer that packs a punch in just 5 by 5 inches. Redesigned with Apple Silicon and the impressive M4 chip, it delivers exceptional speed and performance, making it perfect for both work and play. With convenient connections including Thunderbolt, HDMI, and front-facing USB-C ports, the Mac Mini ensures seamless integration with your devices. Its sleek design allows it to fit effortlessly next to any monitor, making it an ideal addition to any workspace. Experience the synergy of Apple Intelligence, which enhances productivity while safeguarding your privacy. Enjoy lightning-fast performance with your favorite apps and effortlessly connect with your iPhone for a truly integrated Apple experience. The Beelink SR5 Pro Mini PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor, is designed for both business and gaming, offering exceptional performance with its 8 cores and 16 threads. With a base clock speed of 1.9 GHz that can boost up to 4.4 GHz, this mini PC efficiently handles demanding applications such as CAD, Photoshop, and various office tasks, ensuring a seamless user experience. Equipped with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD, the Beelink SR5 Pro allows for significant storage expansion, supporting up to 64GB of RAM and 2TB of additional SSD or HDD storage. This capacity ensures quick load times and enhances productivity, making it an ideal choice for multitasking professionals. Featuring advanced connectivity options, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and Wi-Fi 6, this mini PC provides rapid data transfer rates and stable connections for multiple devices. The ability to connect up to 3 monitors enhances your workspace, facilitating efficient multitasking and an immersive gaming experience. The Beelink SR5 Pro is designed with superior cooling technology, utilizing a copper tube and heat pipe system to maintain optimal performance during intensive tasks. This ensures longevity and reliability, making it a robust solution for both work and play. Check out the GMKtec Nuckbox G3 Plus Mini PC, a powerhouse packed in a compact design. With the latest 2025 Intel Twin Lake N150 processor, it delivers impressive performance for everything from office tasks to home entertainment, making it a great alternative to bulky desktops. This pre-built mini computer comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM and a speedy 1TB PCIe SSD, ensuring quick boot times and smooth multitasking. Plus, its fast wireless connections, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, keep you connected effortlessly to all your devices. Enjoy stunning visuals with 4K dual-screen support, perfect for streaming or presentations. With multiple ports and lightning-fast Ethernet speeds, the Nuckbox G3 Plus is versatile enough for any setup, whether at home or in the office. Experience the power of the KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC, featuring the latest 12th Intel Alder Lake N95 processor for exceptional performance. With 16GB of RAM and a 512GB SSD, this compact powerhouse is designed for seamless multitasking, whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or enjoying multimedia content. Its sleek design, measuring just 5.1 by 5.1 by 1.96 inches, makes it perfect for small spaces, allowing you to easily mount it behind your monitor or place it under your TV for a versatile entertainment setup. Enjoy stunning visuals with Intel UHD graphics supporting 4K resolution and multiple display options, making it ideal for both work and play. Stay connected with Gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2, ensuring compatibility with all your favorite applications. The KAMRUI Mini PC is not just a SmallFormFactor PC, it's a complete solution for your home office or entertainment needs, complete with a monitor, keyboard, and mouse for an all-in-one experience. The ACEMAGICIAN Micro PC is a compact powerhouse featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, delivering exceptional performance with 8 cores and 16 threads, making it ideal for both gaming and multitasking. With a significant boost in CPU and GPU performance compared to its predecessors, this mini PC ensures smooth operation for demanding applications and games. Equipped with 16GB of high-speed DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, this device allows for seamless multitasking and ample storage, with the option to expand up to 2 TB. Its dual 1G and 2.5G RJ45 ports provide fast network speeds, making it perfect for gaming, working, or browsing without lag. The ACEMAGICIAN Micro PC supports triple display outputs, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C, enabling ultra-realistic 4K visuals for enhanced clarity and productivity. This small computer, paired with a convenient remote control, is designed to meet the needs of modern users seeking both performance and versatility in a compact form factor.